Glue Virtual Platform is a proud African product that has been developed by Africans in Africa. I am Professor Richard Chinomona. I have been a professor at a number of universities in South Africa. I am the founder and the CEO of Excellence Group Investments. Excellence Group Investment is the company that owns Glue Virtual Platform. The idea with the Glue is to provide a sustainable, easy to use, secure platform that can be used for communication and collaboration. It can also be used for education purposes. It can be used in the corporate world, in government that can use it for communication and collaboration. Glue Virtual Platform is a proud African product that has been developed by Africans in Africa. The idea of coming up with Glue was conceived way back in 2015 and 2016. I was motivated by a report that I came across in 2016 from UNESCO, which actually indicated that by 2050, there will be more than 850 million youths. It also proceeded to say that because of this exponential growth of the youth population, there will be more youth requiring higher education than the African government capacity to build the brick and mortar universities. As a result, I then thought of myself to say, what can be a sustainable solution if this happens? That is how I came up with an idea of coming up with a real-time virtual university. And I called it Global University of Excellence. I outsourced the services of a virtual platform, but I found it not sustainable. And as a result, I then decided to say, let's develop our own real-time virtual platform. And this is how Glue Virtual Platform came into existence. Glue happened to have all the features that you can find in any modest virtual platform. Glue happened to have two outstanding features. The first one is the breakout rooms. You could be running a classroom and maybe, for example, you have 50 students and you want them to break into unique groups. So they can break into 5 or so groups, and it has up to 8 breakout rooms. They can use them to do discussions, and then they can come back and continue with the class. We customize the hosting of data. If a company wants to host their own data, or government institutions want to host their own data, we can actually direct the data to that client server. So that is something that is unique about Glue that is not found in most virtual platforms so far in existence. Glue is available on all platforms: Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhones. We are a small company that is aspiring to grow big in the shortest possible time. We are expecting that in the near future, we are going to introduce new features like live streaming, hologram technology, etc. So we have a long way to go, and we have great ambition. I strongly believe that Africa has the talent that it needs to provide sustainable solutions to African problems. And I call upon all Africans, wherever they are in Africa or in diaspora, that let's bring together our talents, unique talents, create that synergies that will make us provide sustainable solutions that Africa so desperately needs.